Hello everyone. In this video, I will try to explain a topic which we get a lot of questions about, uh, which is COFASO packages. So uh, I will try to explain like one by one the every package, also which features they have one by one in COFASO. I will show um, which features, which page counts, what is the difference between the packages, etc., etc. So I will directly go to our website. So when you enter our website, you go from products, COFASO 7, and then there is a link. Click to see COFASO packages and properties, or there's a button here, COFASO packages. You can directly go and see the package types. So this year we have released some new packages, which are light packages. Our packages starts from mini, light, mini. So in the first place, what is the difference between mini and mini light? So first of all, both have 10 pages per project. 10 pages per project means you can design these 3-line schematics or single line or panel layout, only 10 pages per project. So what are these 10 pages? So only those pages, 3-line or single line or panel layout. So let me go again to the packages. So Mini has as automatically generated manufacturing plans. Mini has terminal plans, cable plans, bill of materials, and wiring lists. And Mini Lite doesn't have any automatically generated manufacturing plans. Instead, only 10 designing pages, and the other features of COFASO, of course, they are available in the Mini Lite package as well. But there is no limit for terminals. There is no limit how many devices you use in your project. There is no limit for those things. But basically, the difference is there is no terminal plan, there is no cable plan, there is no bill of materials, there is no wiring lists. But there is a numbering, but you cannot get them as an Excel file. So in Mini, not Mini Lite, so in Mini package, we have these terminal plan, cable plan, bill of materials, etc., a wiring list. And what are those lists? So let me go to a project. See, I think I had a, yes. So here I can show. So after you design your project, you go show pages in tree, and those automatically generated manufacturing plans. You can generate terminal plan, cable plan, bill of materials, and wiring list here. Say okay, and the terminal plan is basically this. You can see where's the target, what is the target in your panel from this terminal strip, from this terminal number, etc., and where it goes to in the field, and which cable, which conductor, etc., etc. So when you go to cable plan, you can see in your cable which conductors you used, or if there is a PE conductor, etc. This is also cable plan. This is bill of materials. Basically, you see the part number of the product that you assign for a symbol, for a device in your project. You can also see the brand of the manufacturer of the device. And the wiring list, basically, as I told you before, numbers. Let me delete these numbers first. So automatically numbering. So when you go to the wiring list, you can see all your numbers. You can also get them as an Excel file to print your labels. So let's go again. So this is the difference between mini and mini light. So let's go to compact light and compact. So the difference, the feature wise difference is the same as mini and mini light, compact and compact light. The only difference is the page count. So you can only design 40 pages per project in compact light and compact in both of them. But the difference between compact and compact light is the same as the difference between mini and mini light. So these terminal plan, cable plan, bill of materials, and wiring list. So you cannot get any list, any plan from compact light, but you can design 40 pages. And in compact, you can basically get terminal plan, cable plan, bill of materials, and wiring lists. So let's go to medium. By the way, after explaining the packages, which features they have, which page counts, etc. After explaining this, I will also give some tips to understand for the users, especially for the new users, especially like for the new customers which who want to have a COFASO license. So which package they should go for. In order to understand this, I will also give some tips like machine manufacturers, etc., etc. I will explain right after. So medium has all the features. All the features means, but by the way, it's again 40 pages like compact or compact light, but has all the features, all the manufacturing plans, plus a automatic translation to foreign languages. Let's again go show pages in 3. This time, because I have all the features in medium, so I create all the manufacturing plans. Then I will also show the automatic translation. But cover page and table of contents, of course, these 2 pages, all the packages have these 2 pages. I didn't show before, but terminal plan, cable plan, classical wise, terminal. Now this is terminal connection plan that we call, and this is only included in medium and professional packages. So basically you can see the terminal strip here, like very clearly as an image. And you can also see what's the target in the panel and also in the field, which cable, which conductor, and which device it goes to in the field. A device list, basically, this is a list which contains all the devices, all the symbols that you use in your project, all the elements, let's say, because for example, if you use a contactor, you can see the power contacts that you used already or yet you haven't used yet. You can see here. Device list, and manufacturer list that we call this. I have 2 pages here. The COFASO generates a list for each manufacturer. For example, for ABB, for Siemens, for Schneider Electric, etc., etc. COFASO gives you a list for each manufacturer. Bill of materials we already have in all packages. In mini, compact, lights don't have bill of materials. Wiring list also, so part list only included in medium and professional packages. So what is this? So basically this is a little bit, I mean, this is different than the bill of materials because you can see the part number here and also how many of this device you have in your project, you can see. Purchase order list, this is a list with the price. You can also see the total price. This device has a very long explanation. That's why it crosses the type number supplier, but another topic, a topic of another video, but you can cut this. You can make a short designation for description for this device, and it's not gonna cross in that case. So device and terminal plan. This is also only available in medium and professional packages. It basically gives you, for example, if you use a PLC in your project, you can get all the IO as a list, and also you can export it to Excel as a, see, you can export as an Excel to give to PLC programming maybe. So these are the features of medium, and there is one more. I mean, there are a lot more, but these are the main differences. That's why I'm explaining. So here, for example, the automatic translation to foreign languages. Here, let's use a text in order to show you how it works, the translation process. So for example, I type here fuse, I put it here, and I say project, a translation, and I just choose a source language and English. So I want to have it in Turkish, in English, in Spanish, in Russian, for example, or in German as well. And I say apply. So after you say apply, the COFASO is going to translate all your texts in your project, that the text that you put manually. So you can see here fuse, the one I typed in the first place, then in Turkish, in German, in Russian, in Spanish. This is also available. This feature is only available in only medium and professional packages. So let's go to select light, select. Again, like compact or compact light or mini light, like feature wise, they are the same. They have the same features. So the only difference then compact and mini light, compact light, they both have unlimited pages per project. There is no limit for pages. But the difference between select and select light is the same compact and compact light. It is the same as difference the compact and between compact and compact light. So there is terminal plan, cable plan, bill of materials, wiring list in select, but there is no automatically generated manufacturing plans in select light. So you only design unlimited pages, but there is no automatically generated manufacturing plans. So if you go for professional, a professional basically has no limit for the page designing pages, but it has all the features, including the automatic translation to the foreign languages. Also, all the plans that I have explained in medium, professional also has all those features. Now let's go a little bit in order to give you this this highlight, like how you can understand this is your package. This must be the package that you use for your projects. For example, if you design like very small projects, and if you don't want to get automatically generated manufacturing plans, so if there is not much work for the maintenance, I mean, it would be a case sometimes. So you can go for mini light. But in COFASO, it's also always possible. You can start with mini light, you can upgrade to mini, upgrade to compact light, or you can, anytime you can go for a superior, more superior package. So mini would be for small projects, compact basically 40 pages. So there are two questions generally we ask to our customers in order to understand the suitable package. We say, how many pages do you design per project? This is the first question. So if you design 10 pages, then you can go for mini. If you design 40, around 40 pages, then you can go for compact, light, medium, in order, depending on the complexity of the project. So here I also want to explain. So the complexity of the project, what does it mean? For example, if you have a lot of IO in your project, which is a case generally for machine manufacturers or automation companies, if you want to give a complete documentation to your customer, then you can go for medium or professional, because there will be a lot of maintenance work and there will be a lot of complexity in the project, in the panel. So in order to handle the maintenance work easily, it would be better to give more documentation to your customer. So then, for example, if you have a lot of IO, you might want to give to your customer the device and the PLC connection plans. So for this is only available in medium and professional packages. So these kind of differences, this is how you understand the suitable package. So if you don't want any limitation in your package, and but at the same time if you don't need that much documentation, if you don't have that much complexity in your project, then you might go for select light or select instead of professional, but you still design unlimited pages. Yes, that's it. I hope this video can help you to choose the suitable package, the right package for your project. But at the same time, we are always in touch, so you can always ask your questions to a COFASO sales representative. So thank you for listening.